Earlier, I had installed Gpredict satellite tracking software on Windows. Yesterday, I could install it on Ubuntu Linux also quite easily from the terminal. I have installed it mainly to try tracking the newly launched EIRSAT-1. Initial two-line elements TLE was posted in our local LEO satellite repeater contact group. It was saved as a text file with name eirsat.tle in a directory on the computer. It has been mentioned that the initial TLE may change often as the satellite is stabilizing in orbit, so we may have to update it again. Use this file to update in Gpredict using the Update TLE from Local Files option. The local directory in which the TLE file was stored was browsed and clicked OK. After that, the click down menu on the top right corner was used to access the Configure menu to display the satellite on the front display. In the Edit module, search function was used to find EIRSAT-1 and it was double-clicked to move to right-sided box. Alternatively, selecting and using the right arrow is also feasible. As the next step, EIRSAT-1 was chosen from the lower click-down menu on the front panel and the live data started appearing near the polar map, which was vacant as no satellite was in range. Click-down menu was again used to show next pass of EIRSAT-1. Selecting polar option gave a nice polar map of the next pass due in this region. Timings were displayed in the polar map. Selecting as L gives a graph plotting azimuth and elevation during the pass with respect to time.